What's up everybody? Welcome to Civil Graduate channel, and today I will discuss about simply supported beam, which you have frequently heard from your teacher in the class. Okay, what is simply supported beam? A simply supported beam is the type of beam that has pinned support at one end and roller support at other end. Okay, it is a kind of beam having two different support. One is pin support and other is a roller support. Okay, you know what is pin support and what is roller support. Pin support is a kind of support which doesn't allow vertical movement and horizontal movement. And roller support is the support which allows only a horizontal motion but doesn't allow a vertical motion. So these are two kind of supports from which the simply supported beam is made. I will show you through the picture and explain it practically how we can see it, how we can consider being a simply supported beam. Now you can see the picture. This picture is a simply supported slab. We have two columns. This is column number 1 and this is column number 2, and this is slab. Okay, practically how you can consider a beam is simply supported. If a beam or a slab is placing on the wall or a column and there is no connection between wall and column, then you just consider it a simply supported beam. As you can see in the picture, the slab and the columns are connected. If this slab were to placed on the columns, then there would have been no connection, as you can see in this picture. Look at the next picture that we have. This is a bridge decks. You can see it frequently surrounding you. The encircled plates are used for you can now take it as a simply supported beam. This is the bridge deck, and the third one is also a bridge deck with T-beams. You can see it is pretty clear from the picture that the T-beams are placed on the bridge deck, and there is no interlocking connection between the bridge deck and the T-beams. So on such basis, you can take it a beam simply supported in your homes, at the verandas for which we place beams, and for rooms, for halls, mostly are simply supported beams. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel Civil Graduate. It will really motivate me, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for next video to be updated. Thank you very much.